Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I really hope each and every one of you are doing good. If you are new here, this is Pavithra Iyer. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this Roop Mantra Fruit Facial Kit. And if you're interested in this video, then continue watching. Firstly, I'm going to be sharing how it looks, the packaging and everything. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's filled with goodness of fruits and herbal extracts. I really like the packaging and how they have created. It's so thoughtful to create such packaging for facial kit, and they have mentioned each steps as well so that it will be easy to use. Also, it retails for 398 rupees for 75 grams of product. You get 5 different products like this which you have to use stepwise, and it comes with this cute little box. Alright, that is everything about the packaging. Now let's move on with using. Step number 1, cleansing milk. This is how the cleansing milk looks like. It's creamy in texture. It glides on our skin very smoothly. Now I'm gonna spritz some water and cleanse my face with this cleanser. So this is non-foaming cleanser which is light and mild on our skin, enriched with grapeseed and watermelon, which cleanses nicely and gives you that healthy looking glow. All in all, I really like this cleansing milk and how it feels on my skin. It gives that soft, supple, healthy looking glow and it feels so plump. Also, this is the third time I'm using this facial kit, so I know how it works and I like this cleansing milk right here. So now once I'm done washing my face, this is how it looks. It feels really refreshing and also it smells amazing. The cleansing milk has that good fragrance. So yes, now let's move on with the second step, that is face scrub, which looks like this. It has this unique combination of apple and strawberry mix in the scrub. So now I'm taking required amount of product all together. I'm not gonna dig my hand again and again in the tub because it's not hygiene. And now I'll start exfoliating my face very gently because the formula of the scrub is not that good. It has huge chunks of scrub particles in it which will irritate our skin, and if you have acne prone skin or very sensitive skin, then you might have to skip, or you need to be gentle if you have this product already. Also, I did scrub my lips just to check how it feels, and once I wash my face, it feels refreshing, no doubt about it, but it makes my skin dry. So if you have like a dry skin, then you might have to skip this product. All in all, the scrub is harsh on our skin, slightly drying, and I have combination with sensitive skin, so I can guarantee you that this scrub is not that good. Okay, moving on to third step, which is massage gel, and it looks like this. It has the combination of papaya and orange. So I'm gonna take sufficient amount, again applying it on my face, and I'll start massaging. I'm not gonna do too much of massaging session. I'll just be very gentle because my skin is sensitive. And about this massaging gel, what they claim is very funny for me because they say this massage gel lightens and brightens your complexion. So lightens, I don't believe in that because this Roop Mantra box literally says it will whiten the complexion, brighten the complexion if you use this fruit facial kit. I don't believe in that. I don't promote that. Let's just skip that. And about this particular gel, they have literally mentioned it will lighten your complexion, which is not true. It makes your skin hydrated and moisturized, which you need after using the scrub that made your skin dry. All in all, the gel is good. It gives you hydration and feels non-sticky. So now let's move on with the fourth step, that is face pack. So this is how the face pack comes in. I'm gonna apply it on my face and let it dry. After that, we'll just wash with normal water. So this face pack is thick, feels like clay almost, and it dries super quickly. Also, it is enriched with pineapple and peach, which helps to unclogged pores and reduce suntan. All in all, I like the face pack and how it feels on my skin. It will purify our skin and feels refreshing, but after washing it don't have that moisturizing effect. So if you have super dry skin, then you need to apply moisturizer as soon as you wash your face. So yes, once the face pack is dried, this is how my skin looks after washing. It feels refreshing. Now let's move on for the last step, that is a fifth step, using nourishing cream. So I think that's the reason they give you nourishing cream gel, because the previous products would make your skin dry, so that you can cope up with next step. Wow, nice thought about this facial kits. So I'm just applying it blending it nicely, and that concludes my review for Roop Mantra Fruit Facial Kit. I really hope you guys like this video and it was helpful. I would recommend you guys to try this facial kit because it retails for just $199. I saw on all the website it is for $199 only, but the MRP says $398. So I would suggest if you get for $199, definitely give this a try. It's good to use once in a while. You don't have to use it every single week. You can use it 15 days once or 20 days once and you feel good. With that, I'll wrap up this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you all so much for watching.